I'm Parker, and I'm on my first deer hunt at Jason's new farm. And me and my dad have been practice shooting for about a month with a rifle. And I want to get a doe because does have the best meat.
Just be still, but you can breathe. Don't tense up. Get that gun up. She's in go time. He's coming too, so just get that gun up.
He's moving. It's moving.
It's fine. You make that call. What? You make that call. Right here. Do you see that one close to you? Right over here.
It's not angled, right? Wait.
You got it.
I don't know. I have it. I see the deer.
Okay, perfect. Get it in the kill zone.
Can you zoom in?
Yes. Remember, there's a ball in between her legs, so you're gonna aim on the right side of her. Aim it right on her shoulder right now and shoot her. Take it off safety.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
She's running.
Put it on her. Just watch her. She's gonna turn broadside. Now put it on her and shoot her. Put it right on that shoulder and squeeze the trigger.
Got her.
Got her.
I did?
You got her.
But they're running.
Yeah.
Parker Jane, just calm down.
There.
I have to track that deer. Parker. You shot your first deer.
Were you nervous?
Yeah, but I don't know.
You shot your first deer, Parker.
We have to track it though.
Find it.
I'm excited, and I'm excited to know that like I can have the pride of saying like, hey, I have a deer, like eating this meat, like, hey, I killed this. You're welcome, family.
Good job.
I'm so excited.
You did good. We're gonna find that deer, okay?
Okay. I hit the deer, and we were trying to find a blood trail, and we found one, but we don't know if we are gonna find the actual deer.
Let's go look.
Look.
Look at my finger. Look at my finger. Look at this finger. My other finger.
What do you see right down there?
I think I see a body of a deer.
Just go look at it.
Look at it. Look at that.
Look at that shot. Show us the point. Get down there and point where you should hit it.
Right here. Oh, I see like a puddle of blood. That's really gross.
Parker Jane, good shot.
Thanks.
Doodog's
Oh,
first
yeah.
deer.
Hey, what do you think about tomorrow's meal? Feed the family, baby.
Yes.
That is so good.